Hi and welcome to this introductory video about the Learner-Centered Pedagogies and Project-Based Learning online course. My name is Tom Barrett and I'm the designer, instructor and facilitator. Last year I had the privilege of working alongside Chris Harte to deliver this successful professional learning in Port Moresby. This year I've built an online version of those teaching and learning workshops, and in this short video we're going to explore some of the different elements. We're going to look at the course objectives and what you will learn and create, how the course is structured into video lessons, the resources and tools available to support your professional learning, how you can get the support you need during the course. I'm excited that you're considering participating in this professional learning course. I know it will make a difference to your teaching and provide inspiration to design exciting learning for your students. This course is designed to explore two elements of teaching and learning. The first is project-based learning, a process for designing inquiry-led projects with your students. The second is learner-centered pedagogies, changing the experience from only teacher-centered or directed teaching and learning. By the end of the course, you will be able to answer these questions. What is project-based learning and what process should I use? How can I make alterations to my teaching practice to give students more voice and choice? How do I design learning that is student-centered? Those questions translate into the following course objectives. You will understand the principles of learner-centered pedagogies, understand the principles and process of project-based learning, PBL design, develop a project plan which demonstrates learner-centered pedagogies and a project-based approach. If that sounds like the challenges you're trying to figure out, this course is going to be a great match for you. This project-based learning course is organised into a range of modules and lessons. We have 9 different modules which are the topics we are learning about. They include things like project-based learning framework, toolset discovery and a project sprint. The learning in each module is then explored in short video lessons. Each video lesson is about 4 to 5 minutes long and includes a screencast of me exploring some slides. The slides help illustrate some of the ideas I introduced in this course. Each video typically has an accompanying activity for you to complete for that lesson. Sometimes it's a reflection task, and in other lessons some longer tasks for you to map your curriculum and explore new ideas. I explain all of the activity instructions in the videos and the slides. You have control over the video lessons, and I encourage you to engage with the lessons at your own pace. You can take your time to explore the activities and complete the various tasks. This course will take approximately 16 hours to complete, which includes all of the lesson videos and activities. One of the most successful aspects of the Learner-Centered Pedagogies and Project-Based Learning course over the last few years has been the resources. The main resource is your learning journal. This provides over 60 pages of tools, guides and ideas to support your understanding of learner-centered pedagogies and project-based learning. The learning journal is color-coded to match the modules and video lessons. You will see the same color in the video screencasts I share. Each lesson activity has a page in your journal to work in, and it includes all the written introductions you need. I have created a handy checklist at the beginning of the learning journal so you can keep track of the course activities. It provides an overview of the course modules and the activities that you need to complete. Check them off as you progress through the course. Another course resource is the Project Sprint Resource Booklet. This is a short resource booklet in support of Lesson 3 in Module 4, in which I guide you through the process of project-based learning. We have had some great feedback about the toolkits, resources and workbook for this course, and I know you'll enjoy the latest version. During your experience of the Learner-Centered Pedagogies and Project-Based Learning course, you might hit a block or a challenge. This is absolutely normal and happens from time to time. I want you to have a great learning experience. So let's take a look at some of the options for how you might overcome any issues. Your first support option might be next door. Please consider the support that could be tapped into in your own school. If you have some technical trouble or a question you can't figure out, ask your school colleagues and see if they can help. In lesson 3 of the first module, we explore 3 other options. A WhatsApp group chat. If you need help, ask your colleagues in the WhatsApp group for support. Check the PAS website. All of the course materials and contact details are available online, and this includes a section that I've written on frequently asked questions about this course. Access hard drive copies. Check that you've got all of the resources and access to the backup materials on the hard drive. If you cannot work through the challenge yourself and you have accessed all of these different options, the PAS organising team are on hand to support. Contact details are available on the PAS website. There you go. I hope this introduction to the learner-centered pedagogies and project-based learning course has given you a good overview of the learning experience. In this video, we covered the course objectives and what you will learn and create, how the course is structured into video lessons, the resources and tools available to support your professional learning, how you can get the support you need during the course. Thanks for taking the time to explore this course introduction. The only thing left to do is to get started. If you take this course, you join the crew exploring the world of project-based learning with students at the centre. This course puts you into the position of being a learning designer. I'm excited to support your professional growth, and I look forward to seeing the project-based learning plans that you design. Bye for now.